Every day, millions of crayons are created inside factories like this. A colorful process powered.
It all begins with a dedicated workforce: technicians, machine operators, color specialists, and packers. The main ingredient is paraffin wax, delivered in massive blocks and stored alongside pigments that give each crayon its color. The wax blocks are transferred to giant melting tanks, heated to around 80 degrees Celsius until they transform into clear liquid. Precise amounts of pigment are added, then blended to create rich, vibrant colors that will soon become crayons.
Powerful mixers combine the wax and pigment into a perfectly uniform mixture.
The hot liquid wax is pumped into molding machines that shape the crayons with exact dimensions.
As the wax cools, the crayons solidify into their familiar form. When cooled, the crayons are ejected prone, smooth, firm, and ready for labeling. A special machine rolls colored labels around each crayon, identifying its shade. Smart sensors remove any crayon that doesn't meet the factory's strict quality standards.
Trained workers also perform manual checks to ensure perfect texture and color.
Meanwhile, packaging lines print millions of crayon boxes every day.
Finished products travel worldwide to schools, stores, and homes.
From factory floors to tiny hands, this is where the magic begins.
A simple stick of color becomes a tool for education and self-expression.